Here's a simple step-by-step guide to delete your Amazon search history on your computer. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed in to your account. At the top of the page, hover over Account and Lists, then click on Browsing History. This section shows every product you viewed while logged in. Before deleting items, you can stop Amazon from saving future activity. Just toggle off Browsing History on/off at the top right. This prevents Amazon from recording what you view next. To remove specific items from your history, scroll through the list. Click Remove from View under any product you want to hide. It disappears instantly from your account. Now let's remove everything at once. At the top right of the Browsing History page, click Manage History. Then select Remove all items from view. Confirm the action, and Amazon will wipe your entire browsing history. When you click on Amazon's search bar, you might see old search suggestions. To remove them, click inside the search bar, find the item you want to delete. Click Remove next to it. Repeat this for any old search suggestions you no longer want Amazon to show. And that's it. Your Amazon browsing and search history are now completely cleared.